In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add parts on OnShape. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely you'll need to go up to cat.onshape.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, you should bring something like this once you get inside of your account. And now from here, we'll need to create a new document. And to do that, you'll simply need to go up and head over to the create section over here. And from here, you'll need to choose the document. Now from here, you can choose the specific name for this document. You can add labels to it, and you can add a location for the document. Once from here, you'll simply need to click create public document. And once from here, the project will open up like so. Now once from here, it should bring something like this, where you can see this little icon right here. Now once from here, you'll simply need to head down to where is this Pod Studio 1, then go to the right of that to Assembly 1, like so. Once you click on that, it should bring something like this, where you can see this little dot down here. Once from here, you'll need to go up to the menu and then click Insert, where you can insert parts. And then from here, you can either go from current project and find all of your Pod Studios that you have previously created inside of your project, or you can use either other projects, either owned by you or public projects, or you can find standout content by clicking right here. And then you can search for the specific objects that you want to paste into your project. But as I do it, if you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!